et là, boum. Et boum. Là, j'ai le roi de cœur. Si le roi de cœur est ici, il y a une seule carte rouge. Allez-y, retournez la carte.
J'y vais.
Là.
Sur le type de produit.
So it's a wrap. What I love about this kind of event is that you meet a lot of passionate people. In the startup and scale-up world, there is always a few things that are key. It's pragmatism, which is really essential for the company to survive in a never-changing environment, always adapting the approach and improving the product, but mostly and foremost to bring value in the market and really be close to its customer, to adapt quickly to changes and bring value to them. To remind you, I am a business developer as an external, and also I create video content such as interviews at your client site. It's always better to make your client speak rather than speaking about what you do. I'll see you next year, SiTL or other events. Anyway, I'm online. You can connect with me and have a chat if you have subjects about business development and or video content creation. Cheers.